After the power is plugged in, the display will flash once to enter standby mode. Press the on-off button to turn on the machine. The wind speed mode defaults to middle, the ionizer turns on automatically, and the humidification function defaults to off. The AQI indicator flashes for 30 seconds. After the VOC sensor preheats for 30 seconds, the color updates based on its data. Continuously short press the speed button to cycle through low, middle, high, auto. When the wind speed is set to auto, the corresponding indicator lights up, and the screen color changes according to the VOC level. After powering on, humidification is off by default. Press the humidification button once. The screen displays H00. Continuously short press the button to cycle through low, middle, high, constant, off. When the humidification is set to constant, the corresponding indicator lights up. If ambient humidity exceeds 75%, the humidifier stops and the current humidity is displayed. If ambient humidity falls below 60%, the humidifier resumes at high and the humidity display turns off. In humidification mode, when no water is detected in the tank, the water shortage indicator flashes red and the atomizer turns off. The purification function and humidifier fan continue to operate. Remove the lid from the water tank. Fill the tank with water. Make sure the water does not exceed the max line. After filling the water tank, put the lid back. You can also lift up the water tank. Press the timer button to set the timer. Each press increases 1 hour from 0 to 8 hours. The timer light on the screen will turn on. Press the night light button to adjust the display lighting. The first press turns on night light mode, which reduces the brightness of all display lights by half, and other button operations do not affect the brightness. The second press turns off all lights except the night light, and pressing any button except the power button exits night light mode and restores normal brightness. Open the front cover and remove the old filter. Note, before replacing the filter, turn off the air purifier and unplug the power plug. Install the new filter correctly, and then reattach the front cover.